Release the poor girl. Release the poor girl. The family want their daughter and their child. Release. Ebushani so munyao. Omusu omumpe wumwa. Just release the girl. Why are you holding her hostage? I don't know what you get and I holding her hostage. A woman they catch a bushan for and say, Onya kwala, or ye penny, Onya kwala, or ye penny. You the pastor, the air. So when I saw Kata Infant Hospital and question I dream. But who could deliver? No, have you deliver yourself? You the pastor now, have you deliver yourself? Pastor, have you deliver yourself? Woman, when you have you deliver yourself? A solid ben and cross solid Sundays. Or mudomoya solid different days. Moisha now do $2,000, $3,000 what on. Moisha Juma Ben or ye. Obi a wow senior me I am born again. No. Now who Jimmy Sika $10,000, $3,000, $4,000 say free in Samono. Now wouldn't him say Juma Ben or Quacoye this is Canabro. Now wouldn't him say Moisha no or Koye Juma Ben or this is Canabro. You see says Moisha on phobia call apart for me. Me to me, hey, me soon suman was shit. Also Moisha on phobia call apart for me. Pastor, you know the system Moisha know they pick anybody call apart from me. You know see the whole Ghana be a friend Moisha on family quality from Moisha the whole Ghana. Moisha doesn't pick anybody's call. And nipo so oni Moisha kasa on screenshot him from betreme. Na me screenshot here and then they run in rechi. Kasa me ni kasa ye nyina betremo. Release the poor girl. Whatever you have done to her, it is enough. Yeah, be you ne free mo. Release the poor girl. Nyame mfre ni pasa. Woman le jina so de ni niama ni che. Moisha de che ya ma ne dross ne pant cross shekro yi di che. Moisha de ni niama nyina che de ne dross ne pant cross shekro yi di che. So why didn't you advise her say Jankaba? You're telling me say she gave it to the homeless. She gave her things, her properties to a homeless to be homeless. What kind of man of God is this? You are telling me, you are boldly telling me, say, she gave her things to the homeless. She gave the things to the poor people. So she gave her property to the poor people to become poor. Is that how God works? Is that how God works? Sana nyamiya na adie. Sana nyamiya na adie. Sana nyamiya na adie. Release the girl. Pastor Louis, release the girl. Moisha is not your family member. The family say release their child for them. Just release the girl. You can never take anybody's family member. A brother family are telling you they want their child back. And I won't person the man. What you fear? Give Moisha back. We have greater pastors. We have biggest pastors in Ghana. They would cure her. Leave her. I didn't know when you are doing what you are doing because you don't want other pastors to see what you have done to her. You are doing what you are doing because you don't want anybody to know what you did to her. But whatever you did to her, suicide, because you want her to kill herself so that nobody will know what you did to her. Pastor, if Moisha dies in your hands, I told you, I will burn you spiritually. I will burn you spiritually. Leave the poor girl alone. Louis, to me now, I am telling you and I'm putting it to you. If anything happened to Moisha, I will burn you spiritually. You see, nobody, Muntie dia memeka, obi biaran fa Moisha nko baby, me say pastor ne na Moisha sa. Mu bia obi bia he social media ye won kofo munye nipa, omu wo tumi. Do say me boa no mra meka. Do you think that I am a officer? Look, I can be 34 years in physical, but spiritually, when you say what nana, ne catch now. I dating a woo pastor, no pastor 2 years ago now, my home pastor. Pastor now we Michelle. Now we model no a manager. All of the sudden now don't know how your pastor will shall come. Some amunaba was falling. I don't know Moisha go to me promise $2,000. No, I'm a promise $3,000. You mean said there me say pastor no one Moisha. Ghana for me say pastor is the one behind what is going on in Moisha's life. Munja sankwasi asem no wakodi be ma wo baby. Wakodi be ma wakodi be ma munja sankwasi asem no. Ade na da ho na mo dane ho. Ade the main problem. Sia model no ka Michael so said no. Wo ba be to say Moisha de niama ma poor. Moisha esisa ne dem niama poor because who brother ne command no. Because enipa na wo so ye pastor na ye wo brother na onye. Hey. Obi a wu man a wo de da hotel kwasia. Asole kwa wo si we secret na asole no wo he. Asole ye nya asole Sundays. asole for Ghana say ya share asole there bia wa Ghana me yi pastors o mo ye papa firi mu na fake for na do wo to be free ukro mu babe see hini wo ye kro mu e ba betena so be say ye dihie ko. Yes, Moisha has spiritual things going on, but right now me ka chabu Ghana for nyina say what is going on is from Dr. Louis. Pastor Louis was a friend say no ebe die nie azantana pantana. You don't release the girl, you see what I will do to you. Both spiritually, you don't release the poor girl. Don't release. And among celebrities now, Moshe Shah no. Mr. Celebrities now, Moshe Shah no. Hey, celebrities now, Moshe no. Celebrities now, Moshe no. Don't blame Moisha. Never Moisha ma. Now tell us in the dim kwasi asem. Ubaba before be this year now. I say officer Moisha no near Bushiana. What about them wrong? What about them wrong? Akwalani sana nyame frɛ nipa. Sana nyame frɛ nipa. Nyame frɛ nipa mani try so obeku no ho. This is the 5th time Moisha try so obeku no ho. Ya na yedi esie. This is the 5th time Moisha try so obeku no ho. Ya na yaka ya no atum di esie. Are you a pastor? A moment Moisha try so obeku no ho nyina pastor na nsi ho. Wamba ho. Ohun say me mam pagya me ho pe na oba because your spirit is telling you that the spirit and me babe you to there any wakono a dangerous spirit. I am telling you, release the girl. If you don't release the girl, prepare yourself for me. Release the girl. Ube releasing no, pastor. Ube releasing no. Me say ube releasing Moisha. Oh, me say now much ube releasing Moisha.